Ito po ang food delivery for today. Ito yung keto chapati at ito yung kanyang sauce. Ito yung braised garlic onion chicken, no? Braised garlic onion chicken. Kumatapon. Ito naman yung pork ragu with keto aglio. Ayan. Plus, yung snack niya ay, ano to? Oh, it's a cookie! Meron siyang kasamang strips para makita